Okay, here's the mini video explaining this part of the action plan: skills, concepts, pyramid of action, and roles. So by this point, you have determined all your steps. And now you need to figure out how exactly are you applying the things that you've worked so hard to learn and train over the past year? How exactly are you applying things like claim, theme, characterization, or intersectionality, avenues for empathy, tribalism, maybe even limits of empathy? Who knows? So we want to make that explicit here. All you need to do is name those skills and concepts, and then name the concepts here. I have a list of them below, boop, the very bottom, right? And it's a list of all the skills and concepts that essentially we covered over the entirety of this year. It's everything. So you could go ahead and read through if you need help thinking of how your steps are applying a skill or concept, or maybe you have one in mind already and you could just go for it. The table is organized by term, definition, and example. So let's look at claim as an example. I give the name of claim. What is a claim? And how exactly a claim could be used in an action project. These examples are very general because I wanted to be equitable. I didn't want to, give some groups subtle advice as to what they could do and not give other groups that same advice. So they're very general, but they do get the point across as to how exactly this skill or concept could be used in an action project. Okay, so go ahead and look at these. Come back here and then just write the name of the skill and concept. You need at least 3 different ones, and not every step needs a skill and concept. If one of your steps is email Mr. Littlefield about X, Y, and Z, that's not really. Maybe you're making a claim in that email, maybe, but if it's something very logistical or like buy cups to sell drinks, I don't know. That wouldn't need to apply a skill or concept necessarily. So some of these can be blank. All I'm looking for is that at least 3 of them are full and have a different skill or concept in that cell. Okay. Pyramid of action. I want to know what is the correlation between a step and where it falls along the pyramid of action. Many of you will find that your earlier steps will sit in education, and then your middle level steps will sit in agitation, and then your last level steps, of course, will sit in mobilization, in doing more. That's fine. I just want to know how exactly you are understanding your steps as related to this pyramid of action. And then the last thing is just roles. Write the names of the people that you think would best be suited to doing each step. Just their names. I think that's it for skills, concepts. Yep. Oh, yes. That's it for skills, concepts, definition, and examples. This is just another reminder to schedule a meeting with me if you haven't already. Again, click this link, find an open time to meet with me. We just need to meet by next Friday, May 1st. Okay, so make sure you and your group do that before the deadline. Alrighty, that's it for this mini video. Bye-bye.